Hi Virgo! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly reading sa buwan ng January 2024 Virgo. And para sa mga new viewers natin na ngayon palang naka-discover ng ating Tagalog reading channel, welcome po. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa inyong mga monthly readings, mga gabay at mga advices every month in Tagalog. And before anything else, gusto kong batiin kayong lahat ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong holidays with your loved ones and family. Okay? So, Virgo Collective, isa-shuffle lang muna natin ang mga baraha in front of the camera bago natin gawin ang inyong general life reading. And I'll see you guys in few seconds. Hi again Virgo, so gawin na natin ang inyong general life reading para sa buwan ng Enero 2024. Collective Virgo. So sa position number 1 mo, meron ka Virgo na interesting 4 of Wands. Position number 2, King of Cups. Okay. Position number 3, wow, Major Arcana, the Devil's Energy is coming through. Position number 3 mo. Position number 4, meron kang 8 of Cups sa Virgo. So, this is the energy na pumasok ngayong January 2024 for you. Queen of Wands. At 5th position, sa pang-anim, meron tayong Queen of Cups. Ang daming court cards. It could be you, no? Or mga external energies sa'yo or influencers. At the center, may 8 of Swords. Okay. So, umpisahan na natin. Sa general life reading mo, no, Virgo, sa January 2024, I feel like may situation tayo na kailangan mong pakawalan about commitment, no? And mga relationships aspect mo. And about being stable and secure. Okay? It's about time na mas maging stable ka ngayon, mas committed, and mas dedicated, no? Sa paligid mo at sa ibang tao. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dito strongly. Lahat ng mga bagay and personal relationships na currently nasa energetic field mo or gagawin mo for 2024, mga plans mo rin, make sure na solid, no? I-build mo siya from ground up, no? It's not something na parang shaky or unstable. Okay? Make sure lahat ng mga bagong simula mo may panghahawakan tayo, no? Babackupan ng mga, sabihin natin mga documents. That's one example na ito is property mo. Ganon. And it's a personal relationship din. Mag-start tayo na, alam mo yon, yung foundation mo sa friendships and personal relationship kahit sa family mo, make sure na stable. Okay? Hindi siya something na, alam mo yon, let's say, lack of commitment, walang attention, walang focus. Okay? So, it's about time magkaroon ng direction. Okay? Ngayon, sa position number 2, may King of Cups tayo, Virgo. So, yung kailangan mong pagpatuloy dito is that mas maging emotionally mature tayo. Pag nakita natin ng King of Cups, no, it's not someone na parang yung emotions nila, hindi nila makontrol. Okay? So, I felt like sinasabi dito, Virgo, na emotionally matured ka dapat, lalo na ngayong January 2024, to handle things on your own, manage mo yung expectations and emotions mo, okay? On certain situations and people, okay? Sa manifestations, there is something na parang we are obsessed na makuha, no? Na masyado tayong focus dun, kasi nandiyan ang devil's energy, no? So, it's very passionate, no? Yung mga manifestations mo, yung mga desires mo, feeling ko parang you are so into it, okay? But, I would say na, yung focus mo sa pag-achieve ng mga dreams mo or aspirations or goals or even sa relationship, no, maaari na baka it could become obsessive or too much. Okay? So, make sure lang din na ang manifestations mo, like I said, i-ring check mo, no, yung stability and security, make sure na solid or pulido yung pagkakasimula mo sa mga bagay at sa mga relationships mo, okay? And wala tong black or white na or gray area, okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin doon. Yung parang nalilito ka kung black or white. So, walang gray area. It's either black or white, yes or no. Okay? Ganun ang manifestations mo naman. It's something like parang it could be too much. Kung may gusto tayo na gustong-gusto natin, baka masyado tayong mas mag-focus too much doon, napapabayaan mo yun na yung ibang bagay. Pero, I could say na parang more of advice ito, to rain check lang din ang ating mga focus sa ating mga bagay na kailangan nating i-prioritize, especially sa January 2024. Okay? Maaaring kasing mas lamang yung atensyon sa ibang bagay kaysa sa ibang bagay, baka mapabayaan lang. So, make sure mas balance. Okay? And then, sa external energies mo, no, 8 of Cups, na maaaring maka-influence sa'yo is that may mga external energies, could be tao or situations to. Career mo man yan, sa work, sa mga personal or mga business ventures mo or family or domestic situation or friendship or personal relationship, no. I do sense na either may nagwo-walk out at the moment sa energetic field mo, sa circle mo, inner circle mo, o maaaring ikaw to na maaaring mag-withdraw on certain connections and situations na talagang feeling mo kasi hindi ka masaya. Okay? Yan ang expectation natin sa January 2024 for you, Virgo. And, yung pag-walkout naman is not always a bad thing. It's always a good thing actually, no? Kasi we learn how to set boundaries and it's more like respecting yourself, taking care sa sarili mong well-being din na you had enough, no? Kung may situations and people na hindi na tayo pinapasaya, lagi tayong malungkot or nade-depress tayo or na-stress tayo sa kanila emotionally, hindi na emotionally rewarding ginagawa natin, then learn to walk out, learn to draw the line. Yun ang sinasabi dito. And then, no, ang kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo is, ayan, si Queen of Wands. So, ang sinasabi dito, like I said, no, continue na mag-attract, continue to dream, continue na maging hardworking, okay? Kasi ang Queen of Wands, masipag to, ambitious to, educated, okay? Marami tong ginagawa sa buhay niya. Lagi siyang abala, punong abala, okay? And balance to in a way na ina-attract mo yung good things sa buhay mo. Yun yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy or ibigay sa sarili mo. Give yourself some, alam mo yun, some credit. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. And because deserve mo. Pag pumasok kasi itong Queen of Wands is that someone or ikaw to talaga, Virgo, na passionate ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Okay? Yun na ibigay mo sa sarili mo. Give yourself a credit kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. Deserve mo yung attention na binibigay sa'yo. Pero mag-attract ka ng maraming suitors, maraming opportunities right now kasi master ka ng time management, ng mga goals mo, maaring ang dami mong ginagawa, but at the same time, lahat sila gumagalaw or may progress, okay? Yun kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo at pat on the back or on your shoulder na, you did a good job, okay? Huwag nating i-undervalue yung sarili natin sa January 2024, Virgo, okay? Because yung value mo is more than yung credit na binibigay mo pa nga, okay? Hindi ko sinasabi na kailangan natin magmataas. Remain humble, but still, you know, huwag naman sobrang tinitingnan natin or ina-undervalue natin yung worth natin, no? For what it is, yun lang naman ang point dito. Sa new beginnings mo, may Queen of Cups ka. Okay, i-connect ko lang kasi sa position number 2 mo, yung kailangan mo pagpatuloy, emotional maturity and emotional growth sa'yo. Alagaan mo daw yung heart mo and yung emotional well-being mo. Okay, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. Kasi sa new beginnings mo, bakit kailangan mong alagaan? It's because the way you handle things, kailangan may emotional maturity tayo. Yung the way you approach things, no, wag masyadong kasi pag naka-reverse ang King or Queen of Cups, alam mo yung we're all over the place. So, hindi ka ganun sa January 2024. So, may nurturing energy ka dapat sa mga bagong simula mo. Huwag mong aalisin yun. Be more compassionate. be more understanding and caring sa mga bagong simula mo, no? So, sinasabi lang dito, kung sabihin natin more practical and logical ka nung mga nakaraang buwan and nakaraang years, sinasabi na mas be more attuned lang din sa inyong feelings and well-being. Sa mga new beginnings mo, make sure na alam mo yon, it will satisfy you emotionally kasi nasa point ka currently na gusto mong mag-walk out kasi may mga situation na hindi ka pinasaya, no? So, yung mga new beginnings, so make sure na this is something na emotionally rewarding. Okay? Sa January. Now, Virgo, at the center, meron tayong 8 of Swords. So, si 8 of Swords, yung lesson to na dapat mong matutunan, may situation before na trap ka, na ayaw mong pakawalan, i-let go sa mind mo, no? Kaya nga sinasabi ngayon, like I said, no, dito sa new beginnings mo, baka in the past, more attuned ka sa isip mo, no? Masyadong dami tayong iniisip, daming alalahanin, daming anxiety and worries, no? So, it's time na i-let go mo yan and gawin mo yung makakapagpasaya muna sa'yo. Hindi yung makakapagpa-stress sa'yo. More emotional din tayo than sobrang logical. Okay? Because sometimes, pag sabay tayo nag-iisip and nai-stress ka no? So, medyo bawasan yon yung mga pag-aalala ng sobra-sobra at damhin mo muna or gawin muna yung mga bagay na meron ka right now na emotionally rewarding sa'yo. So, parang about time na asikasuhin mo muna yung emotional well-being mo sa January 2024. Yun ang sinasabi dito, Virgo. So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa general life reading nyo. And, i-shuffle lang uli natin yung mga cards in front of the camera and gawin natin ang inyong love reading. Up next, see you in a few seconds again, Virgo. Hi again, Virgo. So, gawin natin na inyong love reading para sa buwan ng Enero 2024 for whoever will resonate on this one. Okay? Since this is collective reading. Okay? Let's see. Alright. So, at position number 1 mo, Virgo. Okay? At card number 1. Anyway, walang position to. Okay? Meron tayo, Virgo, na 10 of Pentacles. And then, meron tayong, wow, Major Arcana, the Empress. And then, meron tayong 4 of Wands. So far, so good. But we will see, kaklarify natin. So, may 10 of Swords. And the 10 of Wands. So, recently, may nagtapos. In the past few months or last 2023, no, Virgo, something na, alam mo, feeling mo na backstab ka, ang hirap-hirap na. So, nilet go na natin. Nagtapos na yung cycle na to. So, maaaring nakaka-recover ka na ngayon or still sa process ng pagre-recover or pag-move on. Hindi ka completely pa nag-move on. Pero recently, may nag-end na. Okay? Maybe a connection with someone, your special person, or an ending lang in general sa mga relationships mo. So, be it in friendship. But since this is love reading, sabihin natin the person you're connecting with right now, na pinapanood mo tong reading na to. Okay? It could also be an ending sa isang stable and secure commitment. So, be it single ka or in a family situation. Okay? Because may tatlong 10. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and 10 of Wands. Okay? However, no, itagtapos na to kasi it was once parang stable and secure. Okay? Or may potential, the one way to read this as well, kasi nauna kasi yung 10 of Pentacles, the Empress, and 4 of Wands bago yung endings, no? So, it was once good, no? Yung commitment. I kind of feel like medyo long-term din yung pinlano dito. Yung, hindi lang yung present time, nagplano also about the future, nagplano ng growth, no? Conception, and nagplano ng family or commitment or stable and secured no environment for you and for them. Okay? Ngayon, i-clarify natin. No? Yun lang naman yung naramdaman ko by reading the first 5 cards. Ngayon, i-clarify natin isa-isa to para sa Virgo sa January 2024. For whoever, no? Kasi, ang magre-resonate dito kasi collective reading to. Alright? Okay. Let's see, Virgo. So, let's see. 10 of Pentacles mo kinlarify siya ng 8 of Pentacles. Yes, okay. Empress, kinlarify ng 6 of Pentacles. 4 of Wands, nandyan ang 5 of Cups. See? Yeah. 10 of Swords, nandyan si King of Pentacles. Okay. And then, si 7 of Wands, kinlarify ang 10 of Wands. So, yeah, 7 and 10. Makes sense. Okay, so, may something kasi sa situation mo with your person, no? In the past or in current energy, na parang we're resisting na the struggle. Hindi na tayo, kumbaga, umaalpas na tayo, no, doon sa sitwasyon. Kasi masyado nang mabigat, masyado nang mahirap. Nagsiset na tayo ng boundaries natin. At yung mga do's and don'ts, okay? May nag-end, no? And probably, isa sa inyo ang nagtapos nitong, ano na to, connection na to. 10 of Swords, eh. Kasi, feeling ko may betrayal din na nangyari coming from King of Pentacles. This is someone na parang na-blindside ka, na feeling mo binigay lahat sa'yo ang mundo, the moon and the stars, only i-let down ka. Nandiyan ang 10 of Swords. So, parang may deceiving energy to, taong to. You did not see it coming, actually. So, may regrets dito sa commitment na to. 5 of Cups, kinarify si 4 of Wands. So, nanghihinayang tayo, hindi nag-work out the way we expected it to be. Kasi ang tingin mo sa kanya, 4 of Wands and the King of Pentacles, tapos ang lumabas si 10 of Swords and si 5 of Cups. Nandiyan pa si 10 of Wands and si 7 of Wands. So, parang in the process nung nasa connection ka with this person, gusto mo na ring bumitaw or parang nagkakaroon ka na ng ng doubt sa connection na kailangan na nating maging defensive din all the time dito sa tao na to kasi masyado nang mahirap yung it's been rough. Yun na lang sabihin natin, okay? Whatever the deal is. Kasi nag-dream tayo, something good will come out of it. 6 of Pentacles, no? Na it will be balanced in harmony with them, na mag-grow to. May potential mag-grow Empress and 6 of Pentacles. However, expectation versus reality. In reality, na-disappoint tayo. Okay? Si 5 of Cups. Nandyan. At si 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands. Okay? Hindi natin kailangan maging redundant. Paulit-ulit natin sinasabi. Yung narrative is still the same nung kinlarify natin. And then yun, nagplano tayo dito, may investment. Kasi si 8 of Pentacles to, nag-focus tayo too much, no? On building this with them, their future, our future with them, a family ba yan? Or a strong commitment na pangmatagalan for years. Kasi legacy to, si 10 of Pentacles, okay? So, like I said nga, yung energy mo for January, if this is not happening yet, maghanda lang tayo for possible disappointments and losses, up and downs sa relationship. Okay, Virgo? So, sana nag-resonate ang reading na to sa inyo as well. I see you guys on the next month reading, Virgo. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Virgo. Bye!